amazing chicken feet
Amazing. Someone in the chat said I should try Nam Ya Pla.
น้ำยาปลาอึ๊บอ๋อ What time you eat น้ำยาปลา My shop Lady Oil location อุดมสุขคุณยิ้ม Market I have rice soup now I have rice soup I have chicken ghee curry chili dip sweet soup น้ำยาป่า soup and red curry coconut milk crispy roll and now I have new menu one beef green curry lettuce with cooking
So this is coconut milk.
yes my god put return and this put on you can cook me
A little. Maybe I will learn from you.
bả mới đây hả
Beef.
yes not so many people Thai eat beefนี่กะทิป่าน้ำพริกแกงเขียวหวานไก่ค่ะซอย
Salt.
salt
Salt.
you teach me
Yeah. How do you say salt in Thai?
yes เกลือ
Gur.
is
Gur.
hard and ก็ wait to this I just ask customer I change plastic bowl ลูกแบบว่าหน้าอีดอะมอพัดมอโฟมor not
What if we have food on Grab? Scan the QR code for her shop.
no what is it
Thai basil.
ไลน์แมนแกฟูชุปปี้เปิดแล้วนะคะ สามารถสั่งได้เลยนะคะอ๋อบอยม็อบ in the shop แล้วบอยขยันมาก Where you go New Year
New Year. Udom Sukhumvit.
have so many food I think on future I need to open that shop
Oh.
there
Udom Sukhumvit.
yes because night market
Yes.
I
Yes.
like
You like the?
live music because I like to sing a song
Oh yeah. Last time I saw you singing. When is your next singing concert?
soon
Soon.
I go sing every day on live stream and I play ukulele sometime
I will come when you're live streaming the singing.
this sugar big palm
Oh,
sugar
Palm sugar.
yes palm sugar
Very interesting. Where did you go on New Year? Where did you go?
อยุธยา
Oh, Ayutthaya.
You like ham head อยุธยาไหม have
Yes.
old ham head a lot so beautiful I put short video on my channel can you see
I will
and I
see.
take everyone touring around Nai market
Yeah.
แบบว่า good luck start new year
Amazing.
Thai people believe
I want to visit Ayutthaya.
not far from here maybe 1 hour or 2 hour driving I'll put
Yeah.
bamboo or bamboo
Oh, bamboo
อันนี้
shoot.
เป็น bamboo
bamboo
shoot
bamboo shoot.
Thai basil
Thai basil.
Yes.
I usually
Ani-
see this in Pan
Big.
Papao.
big
Chili?
chili but no spicy เลย Can you try
Not spicy?
Yeah, no spicy. Where eat hot pomer. Come, soup hot.
So if I want to order for the food on Grab, I can order?
Yeah, you can order on Grab. Put Khanom Jeen finger.
Khanom Jeen.
Okay. You ready?
Sushi as bamboo shoot.
Oh, forget open song เลย
So if you want to order online, you could search for shop name online, Grab, Robinhood, and Shopee Food.
ว่าปิด TikTok ได้เลยนะปิด TikTok ได้เลยยูฟูหรือยัง You need to try eat it ไหม
Yeah.
No I forget ชิม ไม่ชิมแล้วอย่าหวาน
I will try. Yes.
So many people from ฝรั่ง
They like this? So we're going to be trying out sweet curry. What do you call this in Thai?
แล้วเนี่ยน้ำพริก ขน
Nam
ม
prik?
จีนน้ำพริก
Khanom Jeen nam prik?
yes
Thank you very much.
น้ำพริก but no spicy you can put everything
Everything. Okay, amazing. Today I'm having breakfast with Lady Oil. Thank you so much. Thank you. And over here you can pick a number of veggies to add to your food. This right now.
you know C William long time I know C William him never back yeah
I will tell him he should come and visit.
okay
Yeah, amazing breakfast.
you like spicy food ไหม
A little.
yeah
เล่นหน่อยครับ
Thai is it amazing
Oh,
so
okay.
spicy
Spicy.
you can stand by water first
Oh, I will get water first. Amazing breakfast full of veggies. Oh, look at that, guys. I will try another plate.
oh okay eat
Yeah,
now
okay, I'll eat this one too. So in Thai, this is called
อ๋อแกงเขียวหวานเนื้อ แกงเขียวหวานเนื้อ
Nang Kheo Nang.
เนื้อ yeah
Oh, amazing. So guys, I am trying out the beef curry, green beef curry. So that's the noodles, and that's beef curry, that's sushi, green, basil. Thank you.
enjoy your meal
Thank you so much. Guys, we are trying another dish. This is called Thai green beef curry. What it looks like. Let's try the soup first. Let's try the soup first. Very nice. A little spicy for me. but it is very nice. I would highly recommend this. Wow, it's amazing. So if you're wondering where I'm at Udom Supermarket, right here next to the BDS, and I am eating from Khanom Jeen shop. Let it know the oil, and she prepared this amazing dish. I tried one earlier, so this is my second one, and I must say it is quite a bang. It is quite a bang. And you can order through Line, Grab, Shopee, Robinhood. I think I'll buy some toothpaste to go. I will take one and this one. Yeah. Yeah, chicken feet. Yes. Can eat.
หรือเขานั่งนู่น เอาหรือเปล่าไม่เอา
Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Kapun Kap.
You buy for someone or you
Yes, I buy.
eat?
I will eat. Yeah, all of them at lunchtime. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for you too.
I will come again maybe on Saturday.
Saturday next week?
Yes.
Okay, deal.
Okay. See you. Have a good day. Thank you, Kapun Kap. Come check her out at Udom Supermarket. I'll see you in my next video. Sawadee Kap. Kara Kap.
มีแก้วเล็ก20แก้วใหญ่30
30 baht.
บาทค่ะ
Song.
2แก้วเหรอคะ
So guys, we are trying out sugarcane juice here in Thailand. Looks like. Aroy. Aroy. Kapun Kap.